Good morning. I don't know how well that footage was yesterday because I had my big camera, so I thought I don't want a GoPro. So this is what it's like when I'm zipped up, and then we unzip. This is what you can see, and then this is what I can see. My feet. It rained a little bit. I was a little dry. It's nice. And we've slept for like, how long have we all slept, Rich? 10 hours? I went to bed at 10 and it's like 20 to 8 now. We slept a lot. It's a little bit murky though. Oh, and it's my birthday, so I've got a little gift there. How'd you sleep, Rich?
Not too good.
Again. What happened?
A problem with my camping mat, it's sort of deflated. Yeah.
Oh! What are you doing?
Rice, anyone?
Good morning. So we are up now. I've had breakfast and we've decided we're going to go on a little beach expedition again. Because for my birthday, like, what do you want to do? Where do you want to go? And I was like, I just want to ride bikes and then just go to a nice beach because I absolutely loved swimming in the sea yesterday. So hopefully the weather is going to brighten up. But also I'm going to chat to you a little bit about, because I do get asked this quite regularly on whether I drink or not. I'm going to chat to you a little bit about why I stopped, because it was actually on my birthday. It was the day after my birthday 7 years ago that I stopped drinking, so I thought I would chat to you a little bit about why I stopped and all that stuff. So yeah, I want to head off now. I've not even been set off a minute in one of this mega steep climb. So at Watergate Bay, I ain't going in that today. Look, it looks so cold. It's so pretty and misty though, but we're gonna try. I'm not giving up hope for the other side. Where we're going, it's meant to be really sunny there in a couple of hours, so we'll get on the beach today, definitely. I feel like this is like essential Britain, and that doesn't matter what the weather is, if it's misty, if it's cold, people will still be just out on the beach having a picnic. So about, I don't even know how far, not far, I've not been riding very long, but so for my birthday dinner, this is what we're having. We've got a baguette, some salad. I treated myself to that because I love that stuff. And then we've got coconut water, oh, and then some salsa. Oh, and some hummus. I could not ask for a better dinner treat. Go close your sandwiches to the dog shit bag. Yeah, in that dog shit bag. Oh!
Proper feast today,
Blue sky! Get me on the beach! Oh shit, which way was it? So we are just heading to the beach now. We're in a place called Parr, so about 5 minutes from the beach. Nice little canal path. So we've made it onto Parr Beach. There aren't any little yellow dinghies or anything, or boats to play on, but it is very quiet and there are swans. And I'm being very extra in that I've got you've got swim trunks on as well. You're going all out.
Shorts.
I've brought my blow up pillow from my camping, so I'm just going to lie down, get in the sea later and...
Bike kit's not.
Hey?
Bike kit's not the comfiest to sit around in for hours.
Apart from him, who drove all the way from Manchester in his kit ready.
I went for a swim yesterday in them. All season.
Hey, you do what you want in them. You talk to people of the sea, Rich.
Yeah, why not? Hi there.
How do you talk to people of the land?
Right, mate.
Alright, hey, why I?
Right, mate.
It has got so cold. It was really sunny earlier. We've just been laid out, and now I'm in like all my warm gear. But I just wanted to come on and chat just about why I stopped drinking, because a lot of you do ask, and I've noticed that I don't ever drink. And it's actually 7 years today since I stopped drinking. It's my birthday. And I just wanted to chat about why. There's no big reason why. I just decided that I just had enough of it. And I think it was just because maybe you've noticed this from my personality, I'm very much all or nothing. If I'm drinking, I'm drinking. If I'm riding bikes, I'm riding bikes. And so yeah, I just got to the point where I just drank that much. I had so many really crazy drunk nights out that I just didn't want to do it anymore. And I was and that's what happened. I was in Australia and I'd been vegan for about maybe 6 months, 7 months, and got out really drunk. I was on a surf lesson on Bondi Beach, obviously, because that's what all Brits do when we go on holiday to Australia. And I just felt really rough. I was hungover and I was just I don't want to do this anymore. And then not long after that I got a bike, and then because I loved getting up early to ride my bike when there was no traffic, I just was I don't really need to drink anymore. It's not necessarily a big thing of I will never drink again. I wouldn't say I'm teetotal, but I haven't drank or been drunk since then, 7 years ago. And for me the benefits are I just feel a lot better. I don't get hungover. I'm able to, and I don't have any judgment on people that do drink. If you want to drink, enjoy a glass of wine, enjoy beers, enjoy, get absolutely smashed, do whatever you want. But for me, it just was, I walk back this way actually, was just a waste of money and just a waste of my time, and just made me feel like crap. So there's nothing specifically special about it, but that's why I don't drink. So yeah, that is the reason why I don't drink anymore. So now we're just gonna head back to the campsite and have our tea, have a special birthday tea for me. It's not that special, it's gonna be something cooked on a gas stove, so probably rice, beans and some broccoli. I would not change that. I just wouldn't change it. Yeah, that is what I just love doing. And I guess that's what I would say to you, if drinking is something that you're doing just to kind of fit in with your mates, just don't do it, because the majority of my friends now don't drink, and I think that makes it a lot easier. And so yeah, it's just do what you want to do what you enjoy, and just kind of screw what everyone else thinks, I would say, because it's your life. And when we have birthdays, you realise that we ain't getting any younger, and we should just be doing the things that we really want to do and getting the things out of life that we enjoy. And for me, it's not really drinking, it's kind of getting up early, riding my bikes, walking on a beach, eating cooked rice off a stove, waking up in a bivvy bag. So yeah, I'm going to head now because it's getting cold and they're waiting for me. So I'm going to actually leave the video here because I think I just want to go back and just have a nice evening with my buddies, and just relax a little bit. So bread. Oh, look at that. That is better than any beer, lager, vodka. Oh my god. What looks unpacked?
The oat bag.
God, are the seagulls had all that?